Hi,
Hi,
we're MIRET, and we make super ecological sneakers.
when we were only in our 20s, we inherited a bankrupt shoe factory from our father. For a number of years, we were developing and producing sneakers for high-end brands.
Seeing the industry from the inside, we realized that the materials which we are using to make sneakers are very bad for the environment.
This shoe part is washed up on a beach, it's plastic, and it will last for thousands of years.
We decided to change ourselves, our setting, and the industry. With all our manufacturing experience, we can really redesign sneakers from bottom up and make them compatible with nature.
So, we set out to make a better shoe. We explored the world for new materials. 10 plants, 5 years later, we launched our first generation MIRET sneakers.
800 pairs are already walking around the globe. The amazing feedback was an inspiration to bring the next logical step forward, a super ecological sneaker. They're durable, super soft, comfortable from the moment you put them on. They're breathable, flexible, lightweight, and easy to maintain. The ergonomic cork insole is antibacterial and even baby food grade safe. We developed a 100% pure hemp lining, which is naturally odor resistant. The outsole is hands down the softest and most flexible because it's 100% natural latex from rubber trees.
MIRET sneakers are protected with a special water-repellent layer, which is also completely natural.
MIRET sneakers are as kind to your feet as much as they are kind to nature. We want to change the way shoes are made and empower you to create a better future, no matter your passion.
MIRET is ethically crafted in Croatia and ready for the next ecological step. It's just waiting for heroes like you to take them wherever you choose to go.